this video, we will cover price books. What is a price book in ShiftCare? It's where you'll input the prices for your services to be used on shifts or attached to client profiles as their default pricing. You want to create price books if you want to take advantage of the invoicing and billing reporting capabilities of your ShiftCare system. The number of price books you need to create in ShiftCare is determined by your business's pricing structure. For example, if you offer one single price to every client for your service, you will only need one price book. If you offer tiered pricing, you will need to create a price book for each tier. If you negotiate pricing with each client, you'll need to create a price book for each client, and so on. To create a price book in ShiftCare, you'll click on Account in the left-hand menu and click Prices from the drop-down. This will take you to the Price Book section, where all of your current price books will be listed. To add a price book, click on the Add Price Book button in the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll give your price book a name, an external ID. This field is required, but typically not important for North American businesses. If you will be offering a fixed price structure, you can check this box for your price book you're about to create. Fixed pricing in ShiftCare means that no matter the length of the shift, the same price will apply to that shift. For example, if you have a shift that is 1 hour in length, and in a different scenario, you have a shift that is 24 hours in length, both using this fixed price book, the same rate will apply to each shift. If you have your clients reimbursing provider travel, in other words, mileage, you can check this box. For example, we'll be creating an hourly price book. So as we hit Create, we can start editing our price book. At a minimum, we need to cover 4 base time windows for every single price book. This is to avoid any billing errors in the future. To do this, we'll click Copy 3 times and change the day of the week column to cover our 4 time periods. So weekdays, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and public holidays. Our time here, 12 to 12, will cover the 24 hours for each of these time periods. And so this would be the base need for a price book. From here, you can input your pricing for each time period. If it's the same pricing, no matter the day of the week or time, you can input the same price. But if you charge differently based on the day of the week or even the time of day, you can change the price for these time periods. For example, during weekdays, we charge $30 an hour. On weekends, $35 an hour. And on public holidays, we charge time and a half, so $45. This here is considered a complete price book. We can now click Save and begin using this price book on shifts or assigning them to client profiles as their default pricing.